If you are desperately searching why does my oven smell like burning chemicals, or frantically wondering how to remove baked-on grease without toxic fumes, you are not alone, and I completely understand your frustration. We watch satisfying ASMR deep cleaning routines online, and we spend a fortune on organic ingredients for a low-toxic living lifestyle. But it is not your fault that the modern chemical cleaning industry has hidden a fatal truth from you. Every holiday season, I see countless people grab a bottle of heavy-duty oven cleaner and spray harsh chemical foams inside their appliances. You scrub away the grease and feel a sense of accomplishment. You think you are sanitizing your kitchen, but you are accidentally building an invisible chemical gas chamber for your family's next dinner. Let's look at the cold chemical truth of what is actually inside that spray bottle. The core ingredient in these industrial degreasers is usually sodium hydroxide, also known as lye, a highly corrosive substance. Physics tells us exactly what happens next. The microscopic pores of your oven's metal walls permanently trap these high-concentration chemical residues. When you happily turn on the oven to bake a pizza, or use the microwave to heat up milk, a terrifying transformation begins. The extreme heat instantly converts these trapped residues into toxic chemical fumes, known as VOCs, which then precisely penetrate the food you are cooking. You think you are eating a perfectly roasted chicken? On a microscopic level, you are ingesting heat-activated synthetic toxins that actively increase your household toxic load. In traditional Chinese kitchen wisdom, fighting stubborn grease never requires dangerous industrial chemicals. We simply use the simple physics of heat. Here is a brutal truth and a physical $0 hack we have used for thousands of years, the steam softening hack. Find a heat-safe bowl, fill it with ordinary tap water, and squeeze in half a lemon to utilize its natural citric acid. Place it in your microwave or oven, heat it until it boils, then turn off the power. Do not open the door. Let the high-temperature steam sit quietly inside for 10 minutes. The pure physical steam and natural acidic molecules will automatically melt down the stubborn grease at a molecular level. After that, you just need an ordinary damp cloth. One effortless wipe, and all the grime instantly falls off. Zero chemical residue. Zero toxic inhalation. The physical truth is right here. You can continue to spend money on harsh chemical sprays and suffer through those toxic fumes, or starting today, you can spend exactly $0 and let nature do the cleaning for you with just water and half a lemon. True luxury and health mean your food smells like food, not a chemical plant. The method is yours. You can keep serving chemical residues on your dinner table, or you can take back control of your kitchen. Your kitchen, your choice. Welcome to the Nobel Body.